plus 277315822436. Email us Mulani Operators at yahoo.com. Best school offering training operators & mining machines awarding certificates in South Africa. Mobile crane tower, crane dump truck, TLB, excavator, grader, dozer, LHD SCOOP, drill ridge, at dump truck 77, assessor, facilitator and moderator courses among other. Like us on Facebook. https://www.facebook.com/Mulani Training plus 277-315-82436. Mulani Operators & Welding Training School in South Africa. We are committed to upholding the National Code of Practice for the evaluation of training providers for lifting machine operators under the Driven Machinery Regulations in the Occupational Health and Safety Act 85 1993 of the South African Qualifications Authority SAQA. We do provide safety courses on lifting, construction and welding training on the following: earth moving machines. Call us plus 277-315-82436 for booking & registration. Bobcat * front end loader * grader * bulldozer * dump truck * LHD SCOOP * drill rig * forklift * mobile crane * excavator TLB * reach truck * roller truck. Like us on Facebook. https://www.facebook.com/Mulani Training Welding Courses. Call us 0731-582-436 for booking & registration. Boiler making argon welding gas welding arc welding CO2 welding stainless steel. Others pipe fitting plumbing electrical engineering /installation. You will get a certificate & license after training. We are fully registered & accredited with TATA, SATU & MQA. We help you to look for a job. We offer free accommodation. We are situated in Germiston. Only your ID/passport is required for training. Pay a deposit & start training immediately. For registration & booking, contact us on 0731-582-436 plus 277-3158-2436. Mulani Operators & Welding Training School, South Africa. Like us on Facebook. https://www.facebook.com/Mulani Training. Hi there. Welcome to Mulani Training Center site. Let me know if you have any questions. Plus 277315822436. Call or WhatsApp for more.